I'm Corbett Wall with DV Auction, here with your feeder flash market report for Wednesday, December the 21st, where 2016 is winding down really quick and your feeder cattle auctions are a lot slower and lighter than what we thought they were even going to be. On a day, look at Tuesday, where your board closed lower after trading higher earlier in the day. Your stock market got within 13 points of 20,000 at one time, but still had the 17th record close since the election, so everybody's getting really excited about Trump being sworn in here next month. But most of your feeder cattle auctions were just very, very light, and some of your bigger sales are having more replacement kind of auctions than they are feeder cattle. Had big replacement sales in Lexington, Nebraska. Farmers and Ranchers Livestock, Salina, Kansas had a replacement sale with bred cows and pairs and things there. But your feeder auctions are just lighter. Your order buyers still want to have trade. Your sale barns still want to have trade. But when the order buyers call the guys that are going to ultimately get the cattle, they're kind of like, well, it's getting awful close to Christmas. Let's just wait. And when you got that, then it's just hard to have trade. And when your sale barns are calling your consigners and wanting them to get their cattle in, they're like, well, I don't know, maybe we'll just wait till the new year. And there doesn't seem to be anything scary over this little break here that's going to hurt the market one way or the other or help it. We're probably just going to keep rocking along like we are. We don't expect a mad cow or anything like that. But look at some sales on Tuesday there. West Plains, Missouri normally have a big sale. They just had a little over 1,500. They did have 128 steers that weighed 812 at 133.10. Creighton Livestock in Creighton, Nebraska, not a big run, but also had a quote there on Cattle Market Central. Had 62 head of steers just after 3 o'clock, weighed 795 at 136 1/4. In Huron, South Dakota, Huron Continental Marketing, just before lunch, they had 63 head of steers, weighed 892, bring 136.75. Those are pretty big prices and undoubtedly pushed by farmer feeders up there in the Northern Plains. But just really got 1 or 2 more days here before the new year, because everything will be closed for Christmas. But the week between Christmas and New Year's, the whole Southeast is already closed now, and they'll be closed again next week too. We've got a few sales. Dodge City, Kansas is going to have a sale there tomorrow or today here. They're expecting 2,500. Springfield is going to have a sale, lighter run. St. Joe, Missouri is going to have a sale, close to 1,000 head or more there. Some of your big markets, though, El Reno, Oklahoma is not going to have a sale today. So we'll just see. It just depends on what they wanted to do. But that's your feeder flash